Hey guys, Danny Schaefer back with another video, and today we're doing a little DIY backpacking breakfast recipe. And what we'll be making today is granola with blueberries, strawberries, and milk. Very high calorie, very high protein, and very cheap compared to the name brand recipes or the name brand meals that you can buy at REI or the big stores that cost about $8 or $9 a pouch. I'll put a whole price breakdown and the macronutrients right here so you kind of get an idea. But let's get into the recipe and I'll show you what we need. So the ingredients that you'll need for this recipe is 1 1/3 cup of granola. We use the high protein kind from Nature Valley, but really any granola will do you fine. Next we use just a handful of freeze-dried strawberries. What we have for our portions was about 10 grams is what we measured out. The third ingredient that we'll be using is a little handful of freeze-dried blueberries. We have about 5 grams in this little bag. And the fourth ingredient that we'll be using is 4 tablespoons of powdered milk. And just so you guys know, I put all of these ingredients in separate bags just for demonstrative purposes. Tessa made her breakfast, same exact meal, just before I'm making this one. And she had all of hers in a bag ready to go, and it made just a nice little pouch. It was ready to go, ready for her to cook and make for herself. Okay, so the first step in making this is just to take your 1 1/3 cup of granola and pour it into your pot without spilling it. Okay. And you can now take your strawberries, pour it in. Next, your blueberries. And then your 4 tablespoons of powdered milk. And again, all of these portions are completely customizable. You guys can add, you know, almonds, anything, any other kind of freeze-dried fruit you really want to. This is just what we kind of came up with at home before we left on this trip. Oh. Okay, so then you'll take some filtered clean water, and really about a cup of water is all you'll need, but I don't usually measure. I just kind of go until I'm about to the top of my mixture here. Kind of like that. Stir it up. So it doesn't take long at all for your strawberries or blueberries to rehydrate. Basically, it's ready to eat and you're ready to go. Let's give it a shot here. Super good. And super, super inexpensive if you do it yourself and you just have the ingredients at home. Again, I'll put a price breakdown right here with the macronutrients as well of this entire meal. It's so easy, it's so cost effective, and I think you guys will really like this recipe if you can give it a shot. Okay, so that's basically it. That is our recipe for the granola, blueberries, strawberries, and milk. It's awesome and delicious, and I think you guys will really like it if you give it a shot yourself. Be sure to leave a thumbs up on the video, leave a comment down below if you try it for yourself, as I'd love to hear what you think of it, and subscribe to the channel by clicking down below. We're really trying to dabble into making our own backpacking DIY recipe videos, so be sure to stay tuned so you never miss another one. Thank you guys so much for watching the video, and we'll see you on the next one.